Hey guys, we just got here to Mountain Meadow and I am supposed to be shooting at Eland today. I'm going to try with my bow. We'll see how that goes. If not, we got a gun for backup. And Steven is going to kill maybe a pig.
Yeah, something.
Okay. But yeah, so we're getting ready to go.
We were able to locate the eland early into the hunt, and we had to quickly come up with a game plan. April was set on taking this eland with her bow, which presented a number of challenges, all of which she was capable of overcoming due to her hard work, dedication, and time at the range. This guy was a bully according to the rancher and had no fear of humans. He had previously injured another hunter. The Eland Antelope is a savanna and plains antelope found in East and Southern Africa. Adult males stand 5 feet tall at the shoulder and can weigh up to 2,100 pounds. We were able to stay in front of him and cut him off. As he closed the distance, April had to calm her nerves and settle her pen.
Oh, shooting!
After releasing her arrow, April initially thought she had made a low shot, but the eland's vitals are low, forward, and directly behind the shoulder. And although her shot was lower than she wanted, she was able to get one lung, and it was a fatal shot.
I finally got the eland done, and that was what an experience. Got about a 24-yard shot on it, give or take. Stevie range founded it for me, but I was hiding behind a tree because it looked like it was going to charge. But yeah, shot it with my Botech and very excited. I like my new bow that I just got a few days ago. So I'm going to work some more with it and see what else I can get in the future. Stay tuned.
This was an amazing hunt, and I'm glad I was able to share it with such a special person.
Alright, so we're at Hunter's Choice Deer Processing here in Shady Springs, West Virginia. April killed the eland, and you guys got to see this. Oh my goodness. This is a 16 cubic foot freezer that we got just for our hunting family excursions. We learned our lesson last year in Texas. But look at this, come in here tight. This freezer is full. Now, there is the top layer here is my hog that I killed with my recurve. But look at these tender steaks. Oh my goodness. Look at the color of that. But brown steak, tenderized steaks, the good stuff right here in this box. Oh boy. Yes. Top sirloin, filet mignon, more top sirloin. Look at that sirloin tip roast. Look at the beautiful, beautiful color of that meat. But enough about that. This has been a wonderful, wonderful experience here. Glad we were able to link up with these guys because they know what they're doing. They got it going on. But we were just given this to try smoked trout dip. And it is so good. April's not much of a fish person. Here.
That's good.
Let me get you.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Honest review?
It's good.
Perfect.
Good deal.
All right, here you go. I'm gonna give this back to you. This right here. Smoked trout ready to go. It's already been cooked. Trout jerky. Oh my goodness. I had some in there, and I'm going to eat some more right now. This flavor is insane. He ships all of those too. And by the way, he's not paying us to say this. This stuff is awesome. But what I am really excited about that I ate in there out of a sample is jalapeno pepper jack cheese sausage. It's pickled. Oh my goodness, it's great. It is amazing. But anyways, we get this taped up, you know. This duct tape holds everything. Probably don't even need it. But straps are still tight. 3-hour drive from the house to here. Just put this E-track system in, these straps. Freezer's good to go. Because we go on some crazy hunt adventures. But, yeah. A lot of meat. Trying to get it all organized.